Hello everyone, it's time for the English break. I'm here to learn, practice and repeat with you. We've got only 10 to 15 minutes, so let's not waste any more time and let's get straight into it. Okay, so today we've got episode number 4 of our 100 Most Common English Words series. If you want to know why we are talking about 100 most common English words, make sure you check out the first episode of this series. You will find the link in the description box down below. So we've got next 10 most common English words, along with many useful examples. We've got part number 1, in which you just sit back, relax, and listen to me. I'm going to read the word along with example. In the second part, though, there will be something for you to do. You will note down the sentences we've got and keep them in one place. And finally, probably the most important part, I keep repeating it because now we are going to put into practice what you've listened to, read, written. Now it's time for you, for your own examples. Of course, I'll provide you with some optional phrases and sentences that you can use in making your own examples, right? So by the end of part 3, you will have some sentences that will look like something along these lines. Let's get into it. Welcome to English Break with Marta. On this channel, I'll encourage you to create your own English sentences, only in your short daily breaks. Keep the sentences you learn in one place, like a notebook or note-taking app, and come back to them anytime you want to repeat. In this way, sentences you read and sentences you write will become the sentences you speak. Part 1. Okay, word number 1. Think. I think French is a beautiful language. I can't think about it right now. I'm too tired. After considering all the proposals, I think we should go with the one suggested by Bob. Number 2. See. I saw a beautiful tree in the forest yesterday. I can't see him. The street is too crowded. Did you see that new program last night? It was very informative. Okay, word number 3. Come. They're coming for lunch in the afternoon. Yes, I will come to the party tomorrow. Can you come with me? I'm afraid of my neighbor's dog. Take. My sister takes her dog for a walk every morning. I sometimes take the bus to work. Did you take your medicine this morning? Okay, guys, we are halfway through. Number 5. Want. I want a cup of coffee with milk, please. I want to buy a new computer because my old one is too slow. I don't want to watch this show. It's extremely boring. Number 6. Could you give me this jar of milk? Last summer, we could visit all the famous sites in London and Oxford. When I was a child, I could play basketball very well. I'm not a very keen player now. Number 7. Look. She looks very happy in the photograph. I'm looking for my wallet. I can't find it anywhere. Mary looked worried when she couldn't reach her daughter on the phone. Okay, number 8. Use. My brother uses the computer to play games. I don't know how to use this lawn mower. The new interns are still learning how to use our cutting-edge software for app development. Number 9. Tell. Can you tell me what time it is? She told me a funny story yesterday. Tell me about your last trip to Albania. How was it? Okay, and the last one, find. Can you find the red hat? I can't find my sunglasses. I have to leave for the airport in 10 minutes. Don't worry. I'm sure Joe will find a solution to the problem. He can come up with creative ideas. We're finished with the part 1. Now it's time for you to do something. You've listened, read example sentences. I'm sure when you're looking at part 2, you will remember many of them. I want you to write down the sentences you are going to see in just a moment. I'm going to pause for 2 to 3 seconds after each word. If you need more time, and I think you may, because 2 or 3 seconds is not enough, just hit the pause button, take as much time as you want or can. Think. See. Come. Take. Want. Could. Look. Use. tell, find. Okay, so far you've learned 10 new most common English words along with many examples. Remember, the main idea of this channel is to enable you to create your own English sentences in as short a space of time as possible. Okay, so finally, the most important time. We are putting things we've seen, we've read, we've listened to and written to practice. You are going to create your own examples. What I really want you to do is to write your examples in the comment section down below. You know why? Because when you write new examples, new sentences, you will read them again, remember them in a better way, along with helping newcomers and new learners who will watch this video later on. I'm going to give feedback to some of your comments, so make sure you leave your ideas. Okay, so what can we think about? For example, the movie was really good or really boring. Or you're right, you're wrong. Learning a new language is fun or it's really tough, okay? What else? See, in this example, actually in this question, I decided to make it past, right? So for example, did you see my kids or did you see the last episode? So here we are talking about the TV series. Did you see the email? Think about some other things, right? Come. Okay, so for example, promise or something that you are certain about. Yes, I'll come to the meeting. Or yes, I'll come with you to the coffee shop. I'll come to the wedding. So especially the third one comes in handy when you're promising something or telling somebody that you will come to a very special event like birthday party, wedding, ceremony, office party. Okay, take. What do you sometimes take? Maybe a nap, a walk in the park, a coffee break, an English break, the train to Oxford. Think of some other examples. We've got some more space to fill in here. What do you want and why? For example, I want to exercise more because I need to stay fit, or I need to lose weight, or I want to save some money because I'm planning a trip to Germany. What else? All right, good. I think it's a really nice and polite question. It will be very useful, especially when you are speaking to other English speakers or people learning English. For example, could you tell me where the bank is? So instead of just saying, where's the bank? Use the polite, nice way. Could you tell me where the bank is? Could you repeat that again? Or could you pass me the pepper? Like, could you give me the pepper? Look, we've had similar examples before with looking for something. So searching or trying to find something, right? I'm looking for example, my keys. Or maybe I'm going to a party. I'm looking for a nice blouse. I'm looking for a nice black jacket. Okay, use. This one can be very useful if you need some help or instructions. Like, I don't know how to use this washing machine. I don't know how to use this new microphone. Can you help me? So now we've got tell. Perfect. You can hear it or you may hear it in the exam or language class or when you're talking to your friends. Tell me about your weekend. Tell me about your best friend. Like, describe your best friend. Tell me about your job interview. How was it? How did you feel? Okay, and the final one? Find. So again, we've got something about looking for something or finding. I can't find my umbrella or any solution, my way back home. What else can't you find? We made it. We've just learned 10 new most common English words along with 30 example sentences, 30 bonus phrases. So we've got like just in one coffee break, 10 words and 60 different examples. We've done 4 videos so far. So think about it. 40 words, 240 example sentences, many great sentences to practice in the future. So apart from coming back to the examples we had, follow me on Instagram. Why? Because you will find many useful examples, along with some fun facts that will help you keep your English fresh every single day. Additionally, follow my Instagram account because you will find the teasers for my upcoming YouTube videos. So stay tuned. It was great practicing together. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. For now, bye-bye.